Good morning, children. Now, today, how you are going to start your day today? Yes, be happy and be active. So, today, I want to discuss one of the topic in our social studies for the class 5. The topic is regarding maps. Now, when we talk about the word map, I think you are all very much aware of what is a map. Before I want to tell what is a map, do you all remember a globe? Yes? Yes. Because globe, how it is, in which shape? Yes, it is in round shape. Why? Because our earth is in which shape? Yes, round. I mean to say it is in the form of a sphere, spherical shape. Yes? In your lower classes, just we saw the globe also, no? What was there on the globe? Yes, the different continents were there on the globe. So it is a round, a ball-like structure what we prepared for ourselves to make clear about the different landforms, the different oceans present on the earth. Right, very good. Then why did we change ourselves to see all those on maps again then? Globe is already there for us, no? Yes? Listen here, globe is a spherical structure and we can only define only the outer landforms like continents, the oceans and some of the names of the countries. For example, I want to see a state or a country which is beside India. Is it possible to see me on the globe? No. So how should I see? There should be some picture drawn so that all the countries beside our India can also be seen. So now they came up with an idea to prepare a flat surface on which we can draw the different countries, continents or the landforms, oceans, seas. Yes? So they start off thinking like this is the best method of representing all the landforms on the earth. That is the reason maps came into existence. Now you are clear now why we are having more devotion towards maps. Yes, globe is having some advantages, but there are some disadvantages also while we are using the globe. We can't go into more speculative, I mean to say more special or specific consideration when we want to see the deeper part of the earth actually. Yes or no? See other parts, different parts. Rivers, a small town I want to see. Is it visible for me in the globe? No. For example, I want to see our school in the globe. Is it possible? No. But it is possible in a map. Yes. One of the example you were saying like Google Maps. Yes, nowadays internet is providing it. The Google, the search engine is providing us like Google Maps. For example, you want to search one of the best hospital where is there in, it is located in Warangal. How you can search? Just when you type something, the hospital name which is very famous in the Google, the internet will give the map structure for you, ready there for you. So the hospital which is located, the street, everything is seen. So how we got this technology right now? Before maps were designed for us on the paper first. Making of it, we just prepared the maps like Google Maps. Means first the representation was with globes, then the maps. Now you got an idea of a map. I want to define it perfectly for you. So what is a map over here? It is a picture or representation of Earth's surface and it shows how things are related by a distance and also by direction and also by size. For example, now you understood it is a picture. Yes, something what we draw is called a picture. So we are drawing an Indian map, we are drawing a world map. At the end of this session, I will try to show you the map structure how it is also. But first listen to the points over here. Fine. So here the whatever picture which representation means what Nana, which shows, okay, which depicts us, what it is depicting? Earth's surface Whatever which is present on the earth surface, even water is also present on the surface only. If there is no surface, the water where it will go? For example, you keep a vessel and you pour the water, then only it stays there. Means on earth, on the surface only water is there. So all the different types of features what we present on the surface can be shown by the distance between each other. Understand? From one area to other area. Then the direction, in which direction they are located. In the north direction or south direction or the east or the west directions. Or the south side, above the equator or below the equator. Yes, below the Capricorn. These are all the different types of direction where we can easily know from the maps. Then also size. Whether what is the size of is it a big size than one country or the continent is lesser than the other continent? Is the river is bigger than another river? Is the ocean, its size, its length, its depth? Everything, all the things are related perfectly and shown on the maps. Now again I will read it once for you, the definition of map. No? It is a picture or representation of Earth's surface and show how things are related by distance, direction and size. It can show things that a globe cannot show. Yes, just now I was discussing with you this point only. For some extent, globe can give you a perfect idea, but maps give you still more perfect idea than the globe. That is what here we need to know. Okay? Yes. Still, what are the other things which maps show us? For example, I kept these points for you. It shows or to show continents, countries, states, districts, towns, villages, landforms, roads, still etc. I mean to say, if you want to see Warangal city, you will go by auto or you will go by a bus or you will go on the bike of your relative or your friend or your father or somebody. You want to see the state how it looks, America, AS, I mean to say USA, how it looks actually. So can you travel? No. So map will be able to show you how the area of the country or the continent is. So previously we have been seeing the media, like the corona cases were happening in different countries. Yes, their number was increasing, decreasing. So in news we can see the structure of the world map given for you and the blinking of the cases, which country or which continent is affected more. Yes, who showed you? The media people. How they showed you? They showed you through the maps only. Using some technology of internet, they brought it near to you through mobiles also. So by that, looking that picture or in the newspapers, we saw that yes, so much affected people are there in this region, in that country, and in our Telangana, okay, it is lessening. These all where we have known actually by the matter what they gave, the picture what they gave. Yes, the world picture, the country's picture. So that is where it shows different continents, different countries, states also, districts, even towns, and the last of the villages. Actually, we can't see a village in a globe, but maps are very much favorable for us to show even the village, the location of the village also. Landforms, what are landforms? Different landforms, Nana. Mountains, plains, plateaus, valleys, hills, etc. Many landforms are there on the surface of the earth that we all know. So it is showing the clear height of the mountains also, the width, the depth of the seas also, oceans also, with so much clarity of all the different, parameters. Maps will give us the best idea of all these things. Then roads, railways, tracks, where is the station located? This is a Kazipet station. Yes, one of your friend is there in some other state and is telling you want to come to Warangal. So where is the railway station? Where should I stop? So what do you tell him? Yes, there is a map related to the road and the railways. Just type down Kazipet Junction. Yes, at the Warangal railway station. Then simply that is very clearly shown on the mobile through the internet. So this is advanced technology. We have to use it. No, it is very useful for us. Yes. So these are some of the things where we can easily find out using the maps. Clear, children? So now a book of maps is called atlas. So sometimes when you purchase your notebooks, yes, your textbooks in a general store, I would say in a bookstore, whatever it may be, you once go and ask him whether they had an atlas. They will do a book for you. In that atlas, you will find all the different types of representations of the maps regarding countries, states, oceans, rivers, population. Why? Because these are all the things where it gives a clear picture. Yes, the book of maps is called atlas, where population, distribution of rainfall, the forest, different wildlife, what are the minerals we are having, the climate and the weather, everything is clearly showed in that atlas. So you will have a very clear picture when you bring the book to you. Then you can have a knowledge of all the different types of physical, geographical and historical, all the events happened, and the idea of it will be very clearly known to you, children. And now I want to show you one of the maps, the representation where we can show using this maps, Nana. Just look at to this map structure where I got it to show you how the maps look like actually. So here you can see it is a world map. Yes or no? See clearly, Nana. All the different types of countries, continents, yes, with different colors. So this green represents the different types of land areas. The yellow, the blue is completely the water which is present in the form of oceans. Yes. You can find the different oceans. I will show one of the oceans. Well, see here, this is an Arctic Ocean. Then we have a North Pacific Ocean. Then coming to, where is India? Yes, India is over here. It is very clearly shown for us. And we have, it is very easy to see the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, the Deccan Plateaus. Yes, all the different types of other countries. Maldives Islands, even Lakshadweep Islands. See how clearly they are shown. Yes, sometimes it is very easy to see the landforms. Then how to know the knowledge of having the different ocean, their names. Yes, it's the mid-Pacific mountains are present. Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Ocean. So this is how. Is it clear? Yes. If we keep a globe, what it gives a picture? It gives a clear picture but not so clearly. So map is a flat representation of surface where it depicts all the different types of landforms present on this earth. Like I would like to show one of our map. Just now we have seen the world map. Yes. Now we'll see the Indian map. Yes. This is our Indian map. See how beautiful it is located. You can see the different types of monuments. We have Red Fort, we have Den Gate, yes, we have Taj Mahal, we have the Pink City. Yes, this is representation of India, road guides, and it's a political map. See how zigzag all the roads are there. But everything can be represented clearly where you have the color representations over here. Yes, Kolkata, we have Sri Lanka, yes, Madhya Pradesh, and here we have the other countries which are nearby India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Tajikistan, China, yes, Bangladesh, Myanmar, we have Bay of Bengal. Now, is it providing you a very good picture or not? Yes, this is our Indian map. It's a physical representation. So now it is very clear for you, I think, where it gives a very great knowledge of using maps. And children, I want you all to prepare one Indian map and one world map also, wherein it will be very useful to you to understand how a map is more important. Okay? And I want to wind up. This is a very important introduction where I want to give regarding maps, where different types of scales are used over here. Directions. Yes, scale is a parameter. Direction is a parameter for size. we use certain colors, different types of colors to represent. Just now we have seen in the maps also. Yes, and do complete the questions what I gave in your worksheets, and if you have any doubt, post me the query, the doubt, I will clarify it for you. Yes, okay children.